Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, node version, and your exact failing command. Now, increase the heap immediately. Run your script using node maxold space size equals 4096 your script. JS. Once done, watch the process output for the same error and for garbage collection messages. Make sure to use a real reproduction step so you know if the change worked. If you're running npm scripts, prefix node options or modify the script line. Doing this first saves time and isolates the issue. Once the heap increase runs, profile to find the leak. Attach inspect or generate a heap snapshot with heap dump, then examine retained objects in dev tools. Next, reduce peak usage. Convert buffers to streams, process chunks, and limit concurrency. Change promise. All to a queue with controlled parallelism. Also, refactor functions that accumulate arrays or caches, null out large references, and use weak maps where appropriate. These steps explain how memory builds and why streaming and controlled concurrency prevents spikes. To finish, run your repaired code with the same memory flag and collect a final heap snapshot for comparison. Make sure peak usage is lower and GC is reclaiming memory. If the problem persists, isolate the smallest reproducible case and bisect recent changes to find the culprit. One effective troubleshooting tip: enable node trace_gc to observe garbage collection activity and timing. It tells you if memory is stuck or GC is overwhelmed. Finally, document the fix and add monitoring to catch regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.